What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here with you from the 2020 Nissan Sentra. I've never driven one of these. A little bit bigger than a Versa, a little bit smaller than an Altima. It's not a bad size, but I can definitely tell the difference between this and a Versa big time. Let's crank her up. She's got 23,718 miles. Get some AC going. I do like these controls with these little vents. They remind me of my Saab. The way they just move any direction. That was very smart in Nissan. Good for them. Push button start. Of course, CVT. The thing looks like new on the inside. I mean, it's got a tiny stain right there. Maybe a few back here in the back. Headliner's clean. This is kind of a nit base model. It's got the plastic hubcaps. We'll do a walk around in a minute, but I've never driven one, so let's take one. All right, don't be a bit. Yeah, let's take off seat belts. Got the backup cam. I think these have Apple CarPlay and all that good stuff.
Purchase your tickets at cfctix.com.
All right.
The word.
Decent little head unit there, not bad. We got eco mode, we got our trunk pop, of course cruise control, audio control. This doesn't appear to have any safety nannies, I don't think. Yeah, it does, I'm sorry. It has blind spot monitoring, that's what this light is right here. And I bet it has lane keep and the emergency stopping stuff. I can't remember if I mentioned, but this is a repossession. This is one of the repossessions where the customer just gives the car up without, trying to duck out, hide, beat it up, trash it. It was a voluntary repossession. This particular company that handles these cars, that's kind of what they specialize in. So the cars are usually really nice. They're usually pretty clean and, hopefully been serviced well. A lot of times they're very new, like this car. And I think I did a Versa last week. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, slow off the line. Come on, man. Seriously? Oh. Okay. I see what the enthusiast magazines are talking about. This thing is dead slow off the line. Whew, man. Dead slow. But as it built about 40 miles an hour, I could feel just a little bit of power coming on. About right now-ish, maybe? Yeah, it's got to get rolling good. But hey, for a good day-to-day transportation, family car, it's not bad. It'd be fine. It'll probably go as fast as you want to go down the interstate, cruising. It's got, man, this is some cold AC right here, folks. Cold AC. Yeah, this is a new car. New car. Got some good looking Firestone tires on it. Yeah, you can see behind the big Nissan badge, it's got the Nissan safety shield built in there. Okay. Me and my inability to pop hoods these days is just, it's really just become hilarious. Hang on. Typical Nissan 4-cylinder. What do we got? I think it's a 2-liter. What are we running in this baby? Let's see, I'm looking. Oh, wait, 0 W20. Some thin stuff right there. I love these Renault Nissan batteries. Remember my daughter's Rogue had that when hers was new. It only lasted about 2 years and I had to replace it. I have no idea what's in this damn thing and it doesn't say anywhere, but I'm going to guess a 2-liter. Let's roll with that. It's got a few rock chips, but it's clean overall. Like I said, it hadn't been beat on. Pretty good shape. Black. Can you say black and dark? But I like these colors on cheap cars like this. The tan stains way too easy. Ask me how I know. All right, guys. 2020 Nissan Sentra. I'm going to call this an S model. 23,000 miles. Not a bad little rig. Not a bad little rig. Drives and handles pretty good, and I'm comfortable in it. Very comfy. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.